you find most of the master are signing their name in the hiding way. They don't show.
They hide it.
Yeah, they don't show. Now, when you see somebody who sign, I'm sorry if somebody really did that. Sorry. Sign a name who show the public or show this is me. And,
Too big
and you find a person really love the showing off. It's a characters. So you will find my signatures are mostly hiding somewhere. I don't really. And then do not ever sign in a very open space. Okay, and that is really bad habit. So if I want to sign this, I will put it right here, or even just stamp only, and
Just a
don't
seal.
even if it's too disturbed, and just a stamp only. That's it. And then the corner stamp, if it's needed, then you put it on. If it don't need it, you don't even borders. Not you don't have to put a corner stamp.
A foot seal.
No. Yeah. 压脚印的 foot stamp. Yeah. We call corners. Yeah.
So if you were going to add any calligraphy, would you?
No.
No. Okay.
See, there's this one other thing is, the calligraphy has to go along
With the
has
painting,
to be
yes.
planned.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
Now you don't have to force yourself and doing it because it's really spoil the whole paintings. What we call the theme of the moods. Yeah, it's really destroyed. If you has a poem or anything, what you could put is you put underneath here, or you put on the label.
Or could you do a hall of calligraphy?
No,
No.
I would
Never.
I
You
would
wouldn't.
never do that. It's like oil painting. That is a plate.
Yes.
You could do that, okay, by cutting a plate, you put it there,
Down at the bottom.
and then that help people understand,
Understand.
Yeah.
and then and brought that into the scene by reading as whatever poem that you wanted, instead of writing it. Because when you write it, you think everyone can read it. And then-
No.
You always
what
have
is
to
the
translate.
point?
You always have to
Well, and
translate
then
it.
you
So you're just, and I agree with this. I would allow the viewer to interpret the mood that he feels from seeing your painting.
right.
Because what you're doing is evoking his,
Yeah,
a
you
feeling.
use your
Your-
own
yes.
translation and,
Right.
and your own imagination to enjoying looking at the painting
Right.
instead than I
Tell you what you have to see in this painting.
yes, and then but if you really painting lover, then I don't have to tell you how to enjoy.
That's right.
You have your own way. Plus, when you read the points, then they will guide you again.
well, it brings you to look again through different eyes.
But I find very disturbed when I see people trying to show off everything, and it really disturbed. Yeah, I would just.